Hello student, today we will expand terms data capturing, storage and retrieval. To process the data, we need to first input or capture the data. This is followed by its storage in a file or a database so that it can be used in future. Whenever data is to be processed, it is first retrieved from the file and database so that we can perform future action on it. So first we will see data capturing. So what is data capturing? If we have to do any work, then first we need to first input or capture the data. So first we need to capture data for to do any work on our computer. So we use different types of input device to capture data like keyboard, barcode. We have already discussed about input devices. So through these devices we can capture our data. Our next term is data storage. It is process of storing the data for processing later. There are numerous digital storage devices available in the market like hard disks, CD, DVD, pen drive, SSD, solid state device. So we have already discussed about storage devices. So we can say if we want to store data, then we will use any storage devices so that we can use further. Our next term is data retrieval. So how we can access data and how we can retrieve data from storage devices. So data retrieval, it involves fetching data from the storage devices. Nowadays, lots of databases available in market. In this database, we can store data and these databases also provide facility to manage it. So through this database, we can retrieve our data easily and quickly. Our next term is data deletion. Sometimes user can accidentally erase the data from storage device, or a hacker can delete the data intentionally. So if our data has been deleted, so how we can recover our data? So we will discuss about our next term, recovery. Data recovery. In case data gets deleted accidentally or corrupted, there arises a need to recover the data. So data recovery is a process of retrieving deleted and corrupted and lost data from secondary. Nowadays, many tools available to recover data like Recuva, etc. So if you delete your data by mistake, then we can retrieve our data through these recovery softwares. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video.